For you to have your external links clickable, this number 3 advanced features has to be very. Hello guys, so this is going to be a very quick tutorial, and the tutorial is about how to get your YouTube channel to have clickable URL links in your video description. So the challenge I had was that I created a video and I discovered that my video URLs are not clickable. Okay, these are the URLs that I have in the video, but at the front end these links are not clickable, and then that, as you can see right now, these are the links, but they are not clickable. This is a link here, this is another one here, and these links are not clickable. So that's an issue that anyone out there might have, and you might be wondering, so what's the cause, what's going on? So this is how to fix this kind of issue. Yes, so you move down to this part of the screen, so let's go into setting. Then you come into your channel, come into, well, depends on the kind of problem you are having, because I know there's a part where you need to verify your phone number. That is immediately after you set up your YouTube account. To be able to do certain things, you need to verify your phone number. So you come to channel, then you go under basic info, check that everything is okay. For now, everything appears to be okay for me right now based on all this, right? But where I discovered that I needed to still fix is here, number 3, advanced features. If you see the first feature here says standard features, which means I can video upload, get your YouTube channel started and begin growing with your audience with these features: video upload, playlist creation, add collaboration to playlist, add new video to existing playlist. Channel is free of active community guidelines strike, meaning you haven't defaulted any of YouTube policy and guideline, like you followed all the guide in video production and video uploading, no plagiarism, no piracy and the rest. So I still have this enabled, which means I qualify for this. I can produce and upload video, I can add playlist, I can add collaborators, and I can add new videos to existing videos. That is not an issue currently. So, and then we have intermediate features, meaning I can produce videos over 15 minutes. I can add custom thumbnails. I can equally add custom thumbnails, videos longer, then I can do live streaming. The requirement for this, to get intermediate feature, you need standard feature enabled. This is the first, that means the first one. Then the second one, you need your phone number to be verified. Okay, to verify your channel, you'll be asked to enter a phone number. We'll send a verification code by text or voice call to that phone number. So I've already done my phone number verification, and that is why I have the intermediate features also available. I'm eligible for advanced feature, but I've not, it didn't even occur to me that I've not done it, and that was why the links that I was putting in my video description were not clickable. As you can see here, advanced feature: expand your reach on YouTube and beyond with these advanced features. 1. Appealing content ID claims, create more live streams daily, upload more videos daily, create more shorts daily, embed live streams, external links in video description. That's the external links video description issue that I'm currently having, because I've not done this advanced feature verification. None of my my external links are not clickable. For you to have your external links clickable, this number 3 advanced features has to be verified. You have to pass all the requirements, and for the requirement to get advanced features, you need intermediate feature. We already got that, and one of these: video verification, valid ID, channel history, as a test, I'll be working with the video verification valid ID. Okay, we'll go with the valid ID. So let's click on that. Let's see where that takes us. So I'm using my valid ID. Get email to start verification on your phone. Google is sending the verification link to dewale.michael@gmail.com. Open it on your phone to start your verification using your phone's camera. Scan QR code instead. I want to do the scanning of the QR code instead. Let's see. Alright, I'm already doing this on my phone. As you can see right here, this is showing pending. Yeah, because I've already sent all the required documents. So let's, as soon as this gets verified, I would update this video tutorial so you can also have more confidence in using the same approach.